Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create and animate the cartoon AI dancing video you're seeing on your screen right now. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along easily. I'll also drop a link to my general WhatsApp group in the description, where you can ask questions about YouTube, optimization, monetization, and anything else you want to learn. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.
Okay guys, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your ChatGPT. So once you get over to your ChatGPT, to get the image, you can go to your TikTok. Just go to your TikTok. Okay, when you get to your TikTok, then you can just search for dancing AI video. Okay, so when you search it, just scroll down. Okay, so you see this video. You can still look for other ones though. Okay, so anyone that you just choose. So all you need to do is just so once you get this image now, then you head over to your ChatGPT. Okay, so when you get to your ChatGPT, you type describe this image, only the character. So then after typing it, just add the image, then send, and then after it loads, then send it. So ChatGPT is going to describe the image for you. Okay, just like this now. So once ChatGPT have described this character, okay, all you need to do is to copy it. Okay, just copy this now, then copy, then let's try something. Okay, create a, okay, then paste it here. Okay, I think this place now, I will delete this place off. Okay, create a cute. Okay, then you have to come to this place and say image size. Okay, image size, that's 9.16. okay, for TikTok, because I guess TikTok and YouTube. TikTok. Okay, so once you have kind of added this, then you send. Okay, so now we have sent your prompt. So now we wait for ChatGPT to create the image. Okay, so let's wait and see. So as we're waiting for this now, I will be getting a video that we're going to use to create this. So now I'm going to be using my friend's video. Okay, so you just search the name of the person that you want to use his or her video. So I'll be using I've forgotten this name. Okay, I think this is it. I don't know if it's this account though. Okay, that's it. So I'll be using this. Please, you guys will be patronize my baby, I beg. So it just gets a video where the dancer is kind of facing the camera. Okay, so let's check. So all you need to do on this place is, once you get the video that you want, then you have to just click on that arrow button and then click on download. Then it will start downloading. Once it starts and finish downloading, so that is all you need. Move out again. So let's check our ChatGPT to know if it downloaded, if it generated image well. What? So you see, this is what we give. This is the image that we gave ChatGPT. Okay, so now this is what ChatGPT generated for us. Is it not looking so similar? Look now. Look now, it's looking just so similar. So now if you want to change, I have other prompts here which I can just decide to use as well. Okay, so I will be comparing all these things later on, so you can as well get those prompts. Okay, so you can as well get those prompts and use it when you get the file. So now when you click on this place, don't forget to always put image size. Okay, image size that's 9.16. okay, then you send. So as this one is loading now, we have our image, we have our video. If you want to use this one, you can just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, then you click on save, image saved. Okay, so the same thing goes here. So you can as well use Gemini to know if Gemini, you can just test out all these AI tools. Okay, so I will try Gemini to know if Gemini is going to give me something more cooler. But to be honest, Nano Banana is very good in generating image. Okay, it's very kind of good in generating image. Okay, image size 9.16. okay, so Nano Banana is also good when it comes to image generating. So let's check the Nano Banana and then we check this. So now this is Crank AI is what we're going to be using for this. I have other AI tools, but that one will be later. I will not tell you guys. So now so if you come to this place now, you will see a lot of features here. So you see Crank 01, you see image, AI image, you see AI videos. So what you need to do is just to swipe it. So once you swipe it, you see AI videos, text to video, multi-elements, avatar, motion control, text to image, element, restyle, effects, and stuff. So guess what? Let's go and check our video first, because our image, this one that is on ChatGPT, and see what we have here. Because I actually want to use the one that is kind of cool. So you see our prompt here, and you see what it gives out. So they are not actually more different, just that the background is little different. So I will be going with this one instead. Okay, so let's check our Gemini to know what brother cooked for us. Hey Gemini, with giving somebody PC. Okay, we're going to be using this today. Okay, it's just like for the purpose of the video anyways. So we go back. So what you're going to be using here is going to be motion control AI. Okay, first of all, you need to just sign in. Okay, alright guys, so that is that. So I will also be dropping a link under this video. Just you can use the link to get additional coin, so you won't have to come and be spending on your first try. Okay, so okay, let's go on guys. Okay, so okay, back to this place, because it keeps repeating the same thing, because actually I didn't use anybody's link. That's why I have to find it difficult. So when you come over to this place, you can select your image that you want to use, then select the video that you want to copy. So you just like, so now instead of paying 50, I'm going to be paying 40. That's nice, not bad. So I'm going to proceed by clicking on this generate here. So you will see that the video is now doing some magic. So now it says 4 minutes. So guys, now we pause the video here, then come back after some time after the video generated. Alright guys, so welcome back. So now our video have finished generating. So let's see what it turns out to be. Alright guys, so if you check now, the video I've generated, and this is the outcome. So the reason why I muted this sound is because of copyright. Okay, so I don't want it to have a copyright issue on YouTube, so that is why. So in case if you want to also add your own song, you can as well do your TikTok and all these things, but I just decided to kind of use this one. Okay, so that it will just go everything once. So if you want to download the video, just click on the download. You can use the VIP, then it's see now it will start downloading. Okay, so that is how to do it. So guys, if you have watched this section, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, so you can check your gallery now, and then you're gonna see your video here. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So this is it, and then this is the video copy here. Are you seeing it? So what I forgot to add is the handkerchief. Okay, so because I didn't know it had the stuff, like it could have been like more. So when you are trying to do something, even if you want to do those all those ones that used to sing, you can as well use those ones that used to sing. Then Like, just be creative. In my next video, I will also teach you on how to do those people that used to sing, have dancers and everything. I will also do those ones. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So see you in the next class. Bye.